At least 2 videos a month. Check back on Thursdays. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to animate lip sync. I hesitate to call this a tutorial, but I hope it helps you out either way. So, one way to animate lip sync would be the simple lip sync. And this way, you would have the mouth opening and closing to give the basic idea that someone is speaking. I call this the simple lip sync because it's what it is, simple. There's not too many extra animations or frames, it's just mouth open, mouth close. You can add more if you want, but you don't need to overdo it. All you're really aiming to get across is that someone is talking. You're not trying to have it where their words are completely matching with what they're saying, but at least getting across the fact that somebody is saying something. With the mouth opening and closing, you'll know exactly which character is doing that. But perhaps you want to do something a little more with your animation. Maybe you want your animation to match with what is being said. That's where the second type of lip sync comes in. I call this the advanced lip sync. Advanced lip sync would take a bit more time because you have to mouth out each word for what's being said. Advanced lip sync is really nice to look at, and it's a great way to flex that animation muscle. A good way to know which one works for you would really be to practice animating lip sync for yourself. Look up videos with lip sync in them, or even watch animated movies and learn from them. Everybody has their own way of doing certain things. So what you really need to ask yourself is, do you want to spend more time on something, or do you want to spend less time? Both of the ways of lip syncing take time. One more than the other. So it's all up to you. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like anything in the video, then consider subscribing and pressing that notification bell. Also, if you would like to support me in another way, then consider becoming a Patreon for only $2 a month. You can find a link to my Patreon as well as links to other social media platforms in the description below. See you next time. Bye. Audio. A-D-O. Audio. A-D-O.